If you're making $80,000 a year and you're still living paycheck to paycheck, it's not your salary that's the problem, it's this one rule, and I promise you nobody taught it to you in school. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why some people turn a modest income into millions, while others earn six figures and still feel broke every single month. Here's a stat that should scare you. The average person who makes $100,000 a year has less than $5,000 in savings. Not because they're bad with money, not because they're lazy, but because they were trained to think a certain way about money. And that training is exactly what keeps 97% of high earners stuck. You get a raise, you get a bigger apartment. You get a bonus, you get a nicer car. Your income goes up, but somehow your bank account never does. This isn't bad luck, it's a pattern, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Nobody ever sat you down and explained the difference between being rich and looking rich. School taught you how to get a job. Nobody taught you what to do once you had money in your hand, so you copied what everyone around you was doing, spend more as you earn more, and called it success. That's not your fault, but it is your responsibility to fix it starting today. Here's the rule: every dollar you earn is either buying you freedom or buying you a trap. There are only two categories anything you spend money on falls into. Liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket every month. Your car payment, your credit card debt, that subscription you forgot you had. Even your house, if it's not generating income, is a liability. It costs you property tax, maintenance, insurance every single year. Assets are things that put money into your pocket. Stocks that pay dividends, real estate that generates rent, a business that runs without you, index funds that compound over decades. The wealthy aren't smarter than you, they just made one decision differently before they upgraded their lifestyle. They bought assets first. Someone making $50,000 a year who puts $500 a month into an index fund for 30 years, assuming average market returns, ends up with over $500,000. Someone making $150,000 a year who spends everything they earn ends up with nothing. Same effort, completely different outcome. The gap isn't income. The gap is what you do with the first dollar you don't need to survive. Let's talk about two people. We'll call them Alex and Jordan. Both graduated college the same year. Both started at $55,000 a year. Alex got a new car the moment the first paycheck hit because I deserve it, I worked hard. Jordan drove a used Honda for 6 more years and instead opened a brokerage account. 5 years later, Alex got promoted to $85,000 a year. Bigger apartment, nicer clothes, weekend trips. Alex looks successful on paper and on Instagram. Jordan also got promoted to $85,000, but Jordan kept living like they made $55,000 and every extra dollar went straight into that account. 10 years in, Alex has a great job, a nice car, a closet full of clothes, and $3,000 in savings. One layoff away from disaster. Jordan has the same job title, the same nice things eventually, but also has $280,000 in investments quietly growing in the background, completely untouched. Same income, same opportunities. One decision repeated every month for a decade made the entire difference. That decision is available to you right now, today, this paycheck. So here's exactly how you start, no matter what you earn. Step 1, pay yourself first. Before rent, before bills, before anything, automate a transfer of at least 10% of every paycheck straight into an investment account. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Step 2, freeze your lifestyle for 1 year. Every time you get a raise or bonus, don't upgrade anything. Keep living exactly as you do now, and let 100% of that increase go into assets. Step 3, buy one asset before your next liability. Thinking about a new car? Open a brokerage account first. The habit of buying assets before liabilities, even in small amounts, rewires how you think about every future dollar. The truth is, becoming wealthy was never about how much you make. It's about which of these two categories your money goes into every single month for years nobody's watching. Start with step 1 today, even if it's just $50. Future you is counting on the decision you make right now. If this helped you see money differently, subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down the exact investment accounts millionaires use that most banks never mention.